Am I still aboard Megan's ship? Feels odd. What is this place? Where am I? I can feel something moving closer. Watching.
Empress Emily Kaldwin. I am a friend of your father's from the bad old days. I never expected us to meet. I watched your mother die at the hands of schemers who wanted your little empire. Then you were rescued by a man in a strange mask. I thought that was the end of the excitement. But someone yanked the rug from under your feet. You've lost your throne and your father. And I promise, Delilah won't just give them back. So, what are you prepared to do about it? Your Imperial Majesty? And are you clever enough to do it without spilling a river of blood? I asked Corvo those questions 15 years ago. This is the moment that changed him. Now it's your turn.
It burns from the inside. I feel like I'm standing at the edge of something. All the stories, they're true. Incredible. This is how I'm going to save my father and reclaim the throne. What is that? It feels familiar.
I know you. Do you remember? It's been so long, and you've been through so much. Even as an echo of myself, it's good to know you're there.
Mother? You're here, but you're not here. In my hand, but somewhere else.
Only the last of my essence, with you for a while. If only I could reach across this great expanse and take you into my arms. But I have this to offer. My gift and my curse. Summon me to your hand, and I will guide you when I can. There are no stars in the sky here. There is no sky. You shouldn't be here. No one should.
Who is Delilah really? How could she? I don't understand.
And in thousands of years, few have seen this place. 3 were empresses.
There's no one quite like Delilah. I watched her pull herself up from blood and filth, until she was in a position to steal from the wisest scholars in the Empire. Survival and ambition, art and magic, with a cunning that makes fawning sycophants of those around her, all of it leading to what you saw at Dunwall Tower. Delilah's playing the long game. She took all the abuse the world could deal out, and now she has a crown. But I'll let you in on a secret. She's got her eyes set on a much greater prize.
When I was 10 years old, bored with my lessons, I dreamed about sword fighting and sailing the ocean. Now I'm realizing that the world is stranger than I ever imagined. Everything I know has been turned on its head, but I'm dealing with it the best I can. When you look at the great jeweled map at Dunwall Tower, Karnaca is the southernmost port in the Empire. A fat, red ruby. That's how I always thought of it. Up close, the city smells like the ocean and strange spices. Up close, it's a tangled story of blood and ambition. The birthplace of my father. Megan Foster is a stranger, but there's something that makes me want to trust her, despite her guarded disposition. She got me out of Dunwall, and I need answers. Delilah and the Duke made me look like a murderer, using the Crown Killer to butcher my political adversaries. They took what was mine, and I'm gonna get it back.
Daft old man, this is some shit. Back to that. What was that new thing? Oh, stop. lucky, the Howlers will be distracted by some score they're working. You're up. When you're ready to talk, I'll tell you what I know.
Why is this here? It's Delilah.
Anton started it just before he was taken. They've got history, but he wouldn't say more.
I'll always miss my lessons with Anton Sokolov. He made so many clever devices during my mother's time.
Dearest Emily, or must I say, Your Imperial Majesty, I have something to behold over here at the first opportunity.
Mortimer Ramsey. The Duke couldn't have pulled off the coup without someone inside the City Watch.
I hope Sokolov is all right. Wherever he is.
All right. You've explained part of it. But what were you and Sokolov doing here?
The old man loved Karnaca, but he'd caught wind of a conspiracy tied to the Crown Killer. He wanted to warn Corvo.
There are reports about tensions rising, corruption, street violence. I didn't give it much mind. Usually the local authorities resolve that sort of thing.
The new Duke has let things slide. But Sokolov concluded he might be the head of the conspiracy. He came in looking shocked, and if you've heard his after-dinner stories, you know that's unusual. We were going to set out for Dunwall, but something happened.
The Crown Killer.
Yes, the hatch ripped open and Sokolov screamed. All I caught was a glimpse of someone carrying him across the deck. I followed as long as I could, toward Addermeyer Institute. It's run by the alchemist Hypatia. Maybe the Duke is using a patient of hers, the Crown Killer.
Addermeyer. All right. I'll get inside. The Crown Killer has to be eliminated, and if the alchemist will cooperate, maybe I can learn something about what happened to Sokolov. Wish me luck.
If you need my luck, Sokolov's as good as dead. When you get done at the Institute, disable the watchtower. Once it's down, I'll bring the boat around. We'll take the skiff to the shore when you're ready.
The jewel of the South. My father's birthplace.
Ready for me to drop you at the docks?
Let's go see the streets where my father grew up.
Off we go then.
It won't do to be recognized.
I'd take you to Addermeyer by boat, but security's too tight. The Grand Guard have a watchtower there. Go inland and use the carriage station. Before Before his death, the old Duke of Serkonos spent decades building up Karnaca. After Duke Luca Abel took over, he started draining the wealth out of the city as fast as he could. Orgies and week-long feasts.
Having more fun here than we were in Dunwall, it seems.
Watch yourself on the way to Adamir. The Duke's given the Grand Guard run of the city. Strangers get attacked on sight.
I'll keep my head ready.
This is a good spot. Reach Adamir, take out the Crown Killer, and find out where Sokolov was taken. The alchemist, Hypatia. She'll help if she can. Sokolov likes her.
I'll see you later at Adamir. Just wait to bring up the boat until after I've disabled the watchtower. That's Adamir in the distance. Maybe a little more. Damn, the light is amazing, but I'm going sunblind.
Don't know you, stranger. Load a bad punch down there, no doubt waiting on.
Good thought. They give us a piece of the confiscation?
Yeah, we pass it along to another ship at a discount. Then we all split the take.
Just don't forget about me.
Welcome to Karnaca, stranger.
But there was... Where did... You up for am I going crazy? See anything, I'll run. No, first I'll yell, then I'll... You know, one of the others. Full day's work looks like. Is the rent on time? Maybe I just won't pay at all. Used to make good money. Who's gonna say? Someone grabbing people off the street. What do they want?
Hello there.
Hopefully they'll just leave me alone.
Last coin is gonna be brined hagfish again.
It's a new thing, needing money.
You know that was supposed to go to us. What are we supposed to do now? We're out of money.
Give him a chance to tell his side of it.
It wasn't his fault, Maya. I'm sorry, every now and then one of those Grand Guard bastards pulls a stunt like that. It's getting worse. But I might be able to help you out.
We're listening.
There's a stack of goods that no one's claimed in one of the holding warehouses. I happen to know that no one's gonna claim it ever, because it was dropped from a boat. Loading up the crate. It's good stuff. Spices and dried fish. Maybe worth more than what you lost.
That's a good deal, Brian.
Fellow Serkonans, in the Duke's absence, I have the following announcement. New restrictions are now in place due to the
Your clothes seem a bit exotic, even for someone visiting.
Empress Emily Kaldwin, and carried out by the former royal protector, Corvo Atano. The Grand Serkonan Guard will be stopping and questioning all foreigners and new workers on the streets of Karnataka. Compliance is mandatory.
Harken, pause, harken. She goes, look sharp, alongside, look sharp.
Everyone is looking for me. It might pay to be discreet.
I shouldn't be eating that. Now I'm paying. What happens when you're half starved? Are we gonna let a few blood flies stop us?
I'm in. Just remember to move slowly, and don't get too close to the nests.
We don't even know if the people inside had any money. We just know they're dead, and the place is infested with blood flies.
Carl, going through there puts us on the other side of the wall of light.
If you want out of the city as bad as I do, this is our chance.
No. More likely we all get stung to death. Then we end up hatching more blood flies for the next group.
It's infested, all right. Move slowly, stay away from the nests, and try to avoid getting filled with bloodfly venom and eggs.
We'll find another way to make.
Hey, come here.
Hard times under the Duke and his Grand Guard. A man has to be ready for anything.
This year's bloodfly concern is the most severe in recent memory.
Hey there. What have you got for me? Oh, you're kind. Thank you. If you want to get past that wall of light, I've heard people sneaking through this blood-fly-infested apartment. Going through there will get you to the other side of that Grand Guard checkpoint. See you sometime.
I have something that might interest you. My name's Mindy Blanchard, and you look like someone who goes into places where you don't belong. Want to help me with something? You scratch my ass, I'll scratch yours.
I need to get to Addermeyer Institute. Can you help me with that?
Yeah, I know how to do that. You go get a body for me, and I'll help you with your problem. Don't worry, he's already dead.
A body? That's odd. From where?
The overseers are holding him at their outpost. They think he was a kind of a witch. I want the body for reasons of my own. Sneak in and take it, then meet me in the old basement below the dentist office near there.
I'll think about it.
There's a basement nobody uses. It's below the dentist office, on the corner just down from the overseer outpost. Bring the body there.
Come in. If you've found this place, I'll trade with you. You won't regret it. I'll take that deal. Come back soon. I mean, if I'm still here. I don't give discounts.
I told you what would happen if you reported me. I warned you.
Please, you gave me no choice.
Please? I'll be waiting back here!
I told her if you want my advice,
Move
just
along.
pay the
We're
fine
conducting a
and
search for heretical artifacts.
Who's making trouble?
What? Here? Listen, I only need
This
to...
area is restricted on the authority of the Abbey. No one is allowed inside. For even the lowliest labor that is rigorous.
Dig deep, brother. Remember that the profane seeks to hide itself.
Now we're all on edge. My heart can't take much more of this.
Karnaca was a lovely city once, before the Duke began choking the life out of the place, before the Crown Killer started painting the walls red. Now you're here, and I have to wonder whether you're gonna give it that final nudge, or pull it back from the edge. We've both seen cities go bad before. Vermin, blood, and betrayal. It's happening again. I hope you're ready.
Even Phil, locked in a cage of iron and toppled into the canal. Her corruption was eradicated for the safety of all those who lived around her, all of you. We hardened ourselves to the cries of the apostate, to the heretic. And in doing so, we saved countless others from the horrible discord that awaits them beyond death.
Far worse to have the knowledge of construction materials scattered
Stay
across
to the
aisles.
flesh that is
The metals
familiar.
used to make the devices
That of the fowl and sheep, the ox and fish from the cold ocean.
Overseers border on
Those who taste the flesh of the rat risk drifting through the void for all
might accomplish if they
of
took the music boxes and
remaining
perverted them to their own ends.
until the world
Exactly, brother.
swallowed itself
Much better
by
to
the
protect
void.
such a powerful
And
tool.
all manner of things
Assemble them in
destroyed.
secret and dispatch them across the Empire where they're needed in the fight against the supernatural.
Keep them safe. Lay out a meal that would cause you no shame should your neighbor come to sup with you. There is a tale, a decade and a half old. A tale most often shared from overseer to overseer.
Some take comfort from the strictures.
Bear the heretic's brand across the flesh of his face.
Vice Overseer Liam Byrne.
Red, suspended from the walls, and a wretched altar of candles burned low. Some small trinkets of bone, and a few coins left by those within the out. Discord that opened.
I spotted someone suspicious.
You saw something?
Let's have a look around.
This heretic's body is important, even though I don't fully understand the situation. We'll wait for the Vice Overseer.
When should Byrne arrive?
He's engaged, sir. He'll send someone else, maybe Overseer Kaldwin. Till then, stay where we are.
Well, the heretic's corpse.
Hey.
That's it. The body Mindy sent me after. The carriage rails are electrified.
Hey, you got it. Put it down in the hole. Put it... Good job. Take this.
I won't ask you why you needed that. So how do I get to Addermire?
I just sent one of my boys to turn off the power to the carriage rails. When the juice is off, you can walk along the rails and get where you need to go. On the other side, there's a station that will take you to Addermire.
Better than nothing. Thanks for your help.
So now you've been paid, hit the road.
That's it. The electricity's off.
They wouldn't let us take the carriage. Addermire is closed to the public.
We'll have to try again. We have to see Dr. Hypatia.
They don't let anyone see her anymore. Not even people who need urgent treatment.
If we tell
More Grand Guard soldiers. Best to avoid. This must be the alchemist's apartment. Alexandria Hypatia. The bloodflies have flourished with all the Duke's executions. have to tell myself that fixing all this will bring back prosperity.
I spied a lass from Bristol, 'twas good. I had my pistol, then I met a lady from Tyria.
Shipment of werewolf ticks. Just gone. Taken right from under their noses.
Someone's shooting us! What's going on here? Someone is asking for trouble over there.